Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to uninstall Microsoft Office from your Windows 11, and also this method will work in Windows 7 and Windows 10. Click on Start, type Control Panel, open Control Panel, select View as category, then click on Uninstall a program. Now in this list you have to find out Microsoft Office, right click on it and click on Uninstall. It will ask permissions, so click on Yes. Ready to uninstall. We will remove the programs and files you requested from your computer. Just click on Uninstall. Now wait for a while till this uninstalling process will complete. So this way guys, you can uninstall Microsoft Office from your Windows 11 or 10 PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not.